Hello children, welcome to another class of computer lessons. So today we are going to learn about the remaining portions in this chapter. So last class we have already completed some portions of this chapter. So let's start it with first topic, that is clip art. Clip art. So have you heard about clip art? Clip art is the ready-made collections of pictures, audios and videos. So what is a clip art? Clip art means it is the collections of pictures, audios, videos, etc. That means in our PowerPoint there is already built-in these type of pictures, audios, etc. So you can add these pictures into your slide. You can add these type of pictures into your slide, right? Okay, so how to add a picture, that means a clip art, into your slide? So let's do it. First one, in the clip art placeholder there is a clip art icon. In the clip art placeholder there is a clip art icon. So first of all, just click on the clip art icon. Then a clip art pane, a list of pictures, that is clip art pane. The clip art pane containing list of pictures that appears on the right side of the window. So you can select your suitable picture related to your slide and then click go. So first, in the placeholder there is a clip art icon. Just click on the clip art icon. After that, a list of pictures, a clip art pane will appear on the right side of the window. So there is a search box. So you can search the item in that search box and then click go. So finally, the list of items or the list of pictures related to that item that you typed in the search box will appear on the list pane. And you can select your appropriate picture from the list pane, and finally that will be inserted into your slide. So once again, first, what is clip art? Clip art means it is the collections of pictures, audios, etc. Collections of pictures, audios, etc. Then, how to add a picture from a clip art into your slide? How to add a picture from clip art to your slide. First, click on the placeholder, content placeholder. First step, click on the content placeholder. So there is a clip art icon. So click on the clip art icon. Click on clip art icon. So when we click the clip art icon, a clip art list pane or clip art pane will be appeared on the right side of the window. So clip art pane opens. Then fourth step, there is a search box in the clip art icon. So enter your name of that picture you want to insert in your slide, or type the name of the picture you want to insert in your slide in the search box. So enter the name of picture in the search box. Name of picture in search box. Search box and then click OK. Sorry, go, and then click go. On the right side of the search box there is a button that name is go. So just click on the go button. Click go. So after that the picture related to that item will appear on the list box or clipart pane. Then you can select your picture from that pane and insert it into, and finally it inserted into your slide. So first step, click the content placeholder. There is a clipart icon. Click on the clipart icon. Then when we click on it, a clipart pane will be appear in the right side of the window, and then search box. In the search box you can enter the name of the picture you want to insert into your slide. Then click go. After that a list of pictures will appear on that side, and then you can select your suitable picture related to that topic. Right? Okay. Then next is adding a picture from a file. So for example, there are some pictures you can download from the internet and save it in a file. And finally, if you want to add that picture into your slide. So let's see how to add a picture which is downloaded into a particular file and then it is added into your slide. So let's see how to insert a picture from a file. Very simple. Go to the insert and then there is a picture icon. So just that picture icon. Then select the file select the picture from that file and then press insert or click insert. Finally that picture will be inserted into your slide. So you can add your picture which has scanned or downloaded from the internet by clicking on the insert picture from file icon, and finally it will be inserted on your slide. Then next is adding tables. So next topic is tables. We can add tables into our slide. For example, if your data are in categories, we can use tables, right? So how to enter a table into your slide? So tables are an important one for creating a slide, and this type of tables are used when we categorize the items, right? So now we can add the table into your slide. So let's see how to add a table into a particular slide. For that, in the content placeholder, there is an icon that is table icon. So we know this is the content placeholder which contains several icons like a clipart icon, table icon, chart, etc. So select the table icon. Which icon? Table icon. Table icon. And then a table icon dialog box appears. So you can enter the number of rows and columns. So that means if you want to create a table of 2 rows and 2 columns, so just enter the number of columns 2 and number of rows 2. Finally, you can create a 2 row 2 column table. So first go to the insert table icon and then there is a table or dialog box appears. So enter the number of columns and number of rows. Click OK. Then after that you can create a table. Then finally you can include or add the item or add the content into that table, and then also you can select your background color, font type, font color. You can change it, right? So adding table means first in the content placeholder which icon? Table icon. So first step, click table icon. Table icon. Then second step, after clicking the table icon, a table icon dialog box appears. So that you can enter your number of rows and columns. So enter number of rows and columns. Rows and columns. Then finally you can create a number of columns and rows in that table. So finally created a table. And also you can change the background color, font type, font color, font size, etc. in that table by selecting the font size group or font color group, etc. So we can change the background color, design, font color, etc. Design, font color, etc. Okay, so how to add a table icon? Click table icon and then enter your number of columns and rows you want to insert in that table. Then finally you create a table. After that you can enter the content into that table. Then you can change the font type, font style or background and design, etc. So here is the final result of the table. So you can change your own colors, your own favorite colors into that table. Finally, what happens? The table will insert it into your slide. Next is inserting the media clip. That means we can insert the audio or video clip into a particular slide. That is the way to insert a media clip. So the next topic is inserting media clip. Inserting media clip. That means we can insert media contents of audio, video files, etc. So you can insert audio clip or video clip into the slide. Adding audio or video clip into the slide. For example, recorded or a game, recording of a song, then recording of a particular tennis match, etc. So you can add any type of audio or video clip into the particular slide. So that is the topic, inserting media clip. So let's do it. To add a video or an audio clip, first in the content place folder there is a insert media clip, and in that icon when we click on it an insert media dialog box appears. So that select the file, select the audio clip file or video clip file which you want to insert on the slide and then click OK button. Finally, a box will appear, a message box will appear. That message box contain a question, that is, do you want the movie or audio to start in the slideshow automatically or when clicked. So select your own choice, for it is automatically or just click on. After that the video or audio clip starts. So once again, in the content place folder there is a insert media icon. So what is its name? Insert media icon. So in the content place folder and insert media icon. So just click on the insert media icon. So click insert media icon. video after when we clicked. That is two options. So select your choices. So first, after adding the file, there is a message appears. That message shows if you want to add this file or play this file automatically or play this file after clicking the button. So just select your choice from the message box. Select that choice from the message box. From message box. Then OK. Finally what happens? For example, if you select it automatically the video play and then that is played on the slide. So first step, in the content placeholder, click on the insert media clip icon. Second step, the insert movie dialog box opens. Third step, select the file and click on the OK button. Fourth step, a message box appears asking whether you want to play the media automatically or when we clicked. So select these choices. Next is, the next topic is creating a presentation using a theme. So next topic is what? Slide is for presenting a particular topic, right? So next is how to create this presentation using already designed theme. We cannot create any background color or any font color into it. There is already there are some inbuilt themes. So you can select that theme for creating a presentation. That is the next topic. Creating presentation using theme. Creating presentation using theme. Creating presentation using theme. So creating our presentation using theme. Theme is the predefined collections of backgrounds with suggested color schemes for creating presentation. So what is the definition of theme? Theme is the predefined collection. Predefined collection means it contains already there is a theme which contains some background colors and also font colors, etc. So you can select your theme from there. You do not need to add any type of background colors into it. That means it contains already a background color, font color, etc. That is the predefined theme. So theme means what? Predefined collection of background with the suggested font color. Predefined, already defined. Predefined combination of background with the suggested font color. Background with suggested font color, and this is for creating presentation. Suggested font color for creating presentation. So once again, what is the definition of theme? What is the definition of theme? Theme is a predefined combination of background with suggested font type, font color, font size, etc. for creating our presentation. So in this predefined presentation, you can change the font size, font type, font color according to your requirements. So let's do it. So let's see what are the steps for creating predefined theme. First, click on the office button. Then click new. It contains some options like blank and recent, installed templates, installed themes, my templates, etc. There are some different types of options. So you can select installed themes. And when we click the installed themes, it contains, there are different collections of themes. So you can select your suitable themes from the list of that installed themes and then click create. So what are the steps? First, click office button. So steps means 4 steps for creating presentation. First, click office button. Click office button. Then second step, click new. Click new. Then when we click new, it contains some option. So then select installed themes. So in the installed themes, we can see different types of themes, different types of predefined combinations of background colors with the font color, font type, etc. So third one, installed themes, and select your required theme. Select theme from it, then click create. From it, then fifth step, click create. So once again, click office button, click new, then click installed themes, then select theme from it, then click create. So here, this is the example. Click office button, then click installed themes. It contains different types of themes. Select one of the required theme from there and then click on the create button. Next is various views. Views means after creating all the slides, that means after creating our complete slides, then we can show that how to view that slides. That means how to present our slide into the audience. So let's see, there are some views on it. What are they? Various views means your presentation can be viewed through various views. Each view has its own purpose or its own use. Mainly, there are 3 types of views. What are they? Normal view, slide sorter view, slideshow view. So how many types of views? There are mainly 3 types of views. What are they? First one, normal view. Second one, slide sorter view. And third one, slideshow view. So, views, it is 3 types. Then what are they? First one, normal view. Normal view. Second type of view is slide sorter view. Slide sorter view. Then third one is slide show view. Slide show view. So each view has its own purpose, and these options are located at the bottom side of the window. At the bottom side of the window. So how many views? 3 views. So one by one we can discuss. Let's start with the first one. What is that? Normal view. So normal view means when we open the slide, it contains all the contents on it. That is the normal view. Normal view means the definition is main editing view. What is normal view? It is the main editing view. That means the view which you type which the slide contains the contents which you type and design. That is the normal view. It is the main editing view. What is normal view? Main editing view which you typed and designed the slide. On the left side of the window, it contains the list of slides. On the left side of the window, it contains the list of slides. If you want to close one of the slides, and on the slide there is a close button. So when we click on that close button, you can delete the slide from that normal list pane. On the left side of the window, it contains the list of slides you create. That is the main editing window. So next is at the bottom of the side. At the bottom side, you can see there are some spaces on it. That means you can add notes related to the subjects which you included in the slide. That means writing notes related to your presentation topic. Writing notes. So first one is normal view. On the left side, you can see the list of slides you created, and the next side, on the right side, that is the working area or the area where you edited or add the content of your topic, and on the bottom side there is an area or the space you can add some notes related to that topic. Next is, that is the first view. So what is the second view? Slide sorter view. That is the second view. Slide sorter view means it contains the view of all slides in a thumbnail form. It contains view of all slides in a thumbnail form. So second view is slide sorter view. Slide sorter view means it views all the slides you created in a thumbnail form. That means in this type of view, we can rearrange the order of slides, delete the slides, or if you want to add the slide, you can use this view, slide sorter view. So once again, slide sorter view means it views or it shows the number of slides, the whole slides which you created for that presentation, and then in a thumbnail form. Then the main specialty is you can rearrange the order of the slide, you can delete the slide or insert any new slide into it. Next is how to reorder the slide sorter view. How to reorder the slide sorter view means here, for example, this is the number of slides you created. Then this is the first slide, second slide, third slide, etc. Then if you want to change the reorder, if you want to change the ordering of slides, first move your mouse pointer on a particular slide and then drag it into any other position. That means the slides changed. First, bring your mouse pointer on a particular slide and then click on it. Then drag it into any other position and then release the mouse button so that the slide position changed. So that's the way to rearrange or to reorder the slides in the collections of slides using which view? Slide sorter view. Third one is slide show view. So third one is what? Slide show view. Slide show view means it is the final view. You can see how your graphics or how your slides on a particular duration looks in an actual presentation way. That is, you can see how your graphics, animation effects and timings look during the actual presentation. When you click on the slideshow view button, the slideshow starts from the current slide. So, how many views? 3 views. works or looks in an actual presentation way. In an actual presentation. So first one, normal view is the main editing view, and you can edit the contents in that view. On the left side, there is a list pane which contains all the slides you created, and the bottom side you can add your notes related to the topic of the presentation. That is the normal view. Second view, slide sorter view. In the slide sorter view, the list of slides that you created will be displayed in a thumbnail form. So you can delete the slides from it. You can rearrange the order of the slides. Then how to rearrange the order of slide? First bring the mouse pointer on your particular slide and then move into any other position. That means drag into any other position and then release the mouse button. Finally the slides gets rearranged. Then third one is slideshow view. That means it shows how your presentation or how your slide looks in an actual presentation way. So these are the main three views. Then next is this is the slideshow view, and let's go to a quick recap on this topic. So first step, what is Microsoft Office PowerPoint? So what is the definition of Microsoft Office PowerPoint? It is the presentation making software and it is the part of Microsoft Office suite. Then after that we discussed what is presentation. So what is presentation? Presentation means it is the process of presenting a topic to a large audience through audio or video medium. So what is presentation? Presentation means it is the process of presenting a topic or a content or an information to the large audiences through some medium like audio or video, etc. Then we discussed about slides. Slide means it is the basic thing we used in a presentation. For example, we know in a movie it contains number of scenes. Similar to our presentation, it contains number of slides. Then what is PowerPoint? PowerPoint means it is a presentation software which is developed by Microsoft. Then next, how to open PowerPoint, start, all programs, then Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Then next, what are the two ways for creating presentation? First one, there are two types. First, creating a blank presentation. Second one, creating presentation using theme. Next, we discussed about how to add slides. There are various types of slides. Title only slide, comparison slide, then to content slide, picture with the caption slide, etc. Each slide has its own uses. Then next, how to change layout. You can change the layout slide even after adding the whole slide. That means first go to the home tab and then there is a layout button. You can select your new layout from the layout gallery. Next, how to add text. So just click the content placeholder and then write your information or the point on that space. Then next is changing font properties of the text, changing alignment, etc. That means formatting the text. You know how to change the font or alignment. That means you can change the different types of font styles, font type, font color, etc. Then next is smart art. Smart art means it is the graphical or visual representation of your information and ideas. You can add smart art. Then changing bulleted text to smart art. Then clip art. Clip art means it is the ready-made collections of pictures, audios, videos, etc. Then you can add clip art from clip art icon. So there is a search box. You can enter your search thing into that search box, and after typing the item in that search box, then click on go. Finally, a list of pictures related to that item will appear on the right side of the window. Then how to add a picture from a file? Just insert icon and then select your file. Then finally it will be inserted on your slide. Then how to add a table? There is a table icon. You can click there and enter the number of rows and columns. Then click OK. Finally the table will be inserted into your slide. Then next, creating presentation using theme. Theme means which is the predefined combination of background with the suggested font colors. Then you can change the font color, font type, etc. Then there are various views, mainly 3 views. What are they? Normal view, slide sorter view and slideshow view. Normal view means the main document view. That means you can editing your content in the normal view. Then second one, slide sorter view. The whole slide will be displayed in a large space and you can rearrange the slide from one place to another, etc. Then finally slideshow view, which is the full screen view, which shows how your slide looks in an actual presentation way. These are the topics in this chapter, and let's wind up today's class. So let's continue with another topic with another class.